Hey, it's Brennan here. I am the Akai Pro product specialist in Canada, and these videos are made as a follow-up to my other MPC videos, and just from the comments down below. I had one comment recently where somebody was running into issues from loading up multi programs. They were having a situation with that. And I tried it at night and I was okay with it. So I'm going to try to recreate that and show how to do multi-drum, multi-key perform, that kind of stuff. So let's go browse. And I want to do, let's see, do something more hip-hop. Cool. So we're going to bring in all that content. And I'm just going to really pull from the drum stuff. So one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the audio programs to build up tons of tracks. So let's go browse. You're going to see the state I leave it in. It's like drum program, right? Browse, we're going to swap it out from being drums to being instruments. And I have my audition. I'm going to turn it off. And now I'm going to find a bass sound. Let's try that guy. So it's not going to play in between just because I don't want to interrupt the rhythm that I have. And I'm going to be random with this. I'm just going to grab random patches and build it from there. So this bass is now loading in. It's a big one. They usually are. And I think that's where the common concern was coming from. So let's go menu, pad, perform. And I'm going to pick and do B. And let's do pentatonic minor. So what I want to do, I went back to the main screen because I want to double that. I want 4, I want 8 for this. I already hear an 8-bar loop in my head. You can see up top where the 1's going to hit. Here, got a little bass line. We're gonna go back to browse, and I'm gonna do this. Let's go up to something. Let's do a little short strings. I'm not trying to rate a hit, I'm just trying to load it down. You know. So we got that in there now. Again, menu, pad, perform. I'm gonna octave that up a bit. I like how that sounds. So go. Again, new track, browse. Let's do some kind of lead, funk lead. That sounds cool. I don't want it as high this time, so we're going to menu, pad, perform, go to 3 maybe. we got 5 patches. Let's browse. Let's go. A little pad in there for sure. That's gonna sound cool. Menu, pad perform. Browse. And what are we on now? We're gonna do some luck. Yeah. Luck. Menu. Pad perform. Like that. Main 8. Alright, we're getting there. A couple of ways. I don't know, let's do sauce and let's try that, yeah. Main menu, pad perform. I'm gonna do this a little bit lower. This is 8, right? 8 programs. I don't even know what I want now. We got so much in there. So much. Set up soon. Main. Menu. Pad perform. Back to my main. Got 8 programs. Track mute. Did I miss a program? 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm gonna do one more. I skipped one by mistake. Let's see. Browse. One more. Future lead. Let's try that. Pad perform. Here we go. Let's go to 9 just for the sake of it, right? Browse. Let's push this thing. Let's go jump. Again, this is just for bringing in tons of sounds. So that too. That one seemed a bit small. I wanted to bring in a big one, you know? So here we go. No idea what this will sound like. Let's try it. a menu, track view, and tons of tracks. So yeah, I think that that kind of shows it's got a lot of power. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe.